This video will show you how to use forums in Laulima. The first step is to log into Laulima with your user ID and password. Select your course, and then find Forums on the toolbar in Laulima. Once you're in Forums, look for the correct forum and topic. You can see in this class there are two different forums, one for Module 1 and one for Module 2. First, I'm going to look at Module 1. I'll click on the topic. This says Module 1 Introductions. After I click on the topic, I'm going to click on this arrow to view the full description. This is where I can see the instructions to my activity. So I can read my teacher's instructions, and then when I'm ready, I can post by selecting Start a New Conversation. If I forget what I'm supposed to write about, I can click again to see the full description. So I might put Introduction and my name for the title. Then I can copy and paste my assignment from another document directly into the forum post. I can type directly here too, but if Laulima closes, I might lose my work. So I prefer to type in Google Docs first and then paste my assignment into the Forums tool. If you are happy with your assignment, you can scroll down and post. So I can see my post at the bottom here, and above it, I see a post from two of my classmates. My next step is to read my classmates' posts and reply. So after I read my classmates' post, I click Reply, and then I can type my reply to my classmate. So I can say, I agree with your point, and then I can add more information. When I'm finished replying to my classmate, I click Post again, and you can see it appears below my classmate's information. If I go back to the forum and click this arrow, I can see my reply directly below my classmate's reply. Sometimes your teacher may create groups. So for Module 2, I can see there are 3 topics here, and there are different groups. So I can look and see the group names. I see my name over here. So I'm going to click on this link to post my assignment. Now, I see this message, you must post to this topic before you can view any messages. This means I can't see my classmates' messages until I post my assignment. So I can follow the same procedure, view the description, and then click Start a New Conversation for my post. And then I can paste my assignment into the text box and click Post. Now that I've done that, I am able to view my classmates' posts, and I can click on those and reply just as I did in the other forum.